am about to do my warm-ups. We're at Hangtown, and yeah, I'm still kind of waking up because yeah, yesterday was hot, and yeah, the heat just definitely took it out of me a little bit yesterday with riding and stuff. So yeah, I mean, I slept good, but it's like you can definitely feel today like, oh yeah, yesterday was warm. So time to warm up. Time to warm up.
Joy, where are we? What's going on? What are you thinking? How are you feeling? What's coming up? What are you doing?
I'm actually looking at hotels for Dubai.
Oh boy.
I heard they're very expensive.
It's not good.
Got our coffee machine set up, so it's a good day. It's a good day.
You got any last word for practice?
Hopefully it's a great day.
I'm like 20th in that segment, but then I'm 9 and 10.
Where's that segment go from?
After that next step up triple, then the step up, then you turn left, and it's like on that first little double.
It goes all the way to there from the finish line.
Yeah,
there?
it's 44 seconds. Well, mine is. You are 42, and I think the other guys are like 40 or 41. Cause yeah, my last lap was still a 2:03.
How's a
2 minute, two minute, because I had a 2:02. It went all right. It was. We made some changes from yesterday, and they were good changes. And yeah, I mean, the track's pretty fast, so yeah, I think it's like the first half is sandy and somewhat rutted. The second half is like hard packed clay mud. So I think that's going to work in a little bit better. Yeah, just I need to clean up really my segment 1. That's where I was off the most. But yeah, it was decent, and I feel pretty good. So we'll go. There's a lot of us that are really close in times, and I couldn't actually get the segments to load, so I don't really know where my segments were at the second practice. I went a little bit faster, but I needed to go a little bit more faster. I mean, I'm like a second off of 10th place, so it's not bad. It's just the track's really fast, and yeah, I think it's probably just a couple line choices, and most of the track I feel pretty good. And my bike feels a lot better this week. We've done some big changes there, so I'm excited to go moto with it, and I need 2 good starts. That's my goal right now, because I know the rest will, like, if I start there, I'll go that speed. So and that's what we need to do to continue learning and continue working on going faster.
Any last words?
Talk to you in a bit.
I was way too cautious first 2 laps, and honestly just really, yeah, just wasn't ready to race. And yeah, I went backwards and came back forwards a little bit, but yeah, still struggling, trying to figure out how to go faster. And yeah, I haven't looked at my times yet, but I gotta figure some stuff out. So yeah, I need to be more aggressive, and that will help everything, honestly. So yeah, I'm not very happy with that one.
I did what I could with what I had, and we're trying. That's the good part about it. We're all trying to figure this thing out together, and yeah, it's frustrating. It's embarrassing. It's yeah, I'm really struggling. So we're trying to figure out the bike, and yeah, we're swinging for the fences, just trying to trying to get a base setting, really. And yeah, we don't have a lot of data to go off of, so we're changing parts, we're changing suspension, we're trying to figure out what makes the bike work. So yeah, it's definitely tough. I'm trying to go faster. I mean, even the guys I'm around, they're racing, and I'm just kind of there. So it's really frustrating. Yeah, and it's yeah, probably one of my worst race days ever. Just doing what I can. So it's frustrating. Got some stuff to try this week, and yeah, that's all we can do.
Yeah.